Hey, this is John and I'm back. Right now I am filing the capillary tube to replace the old filter dryer to ensure that the flow of Freon is going to be good once I replace the new compressor. What you see is the old compressor that I'm going to be taking out. I already used the pipe cutter to cut down the copper lining and the metal lining. I'm gonna take a screwdriver to pop out the pins to ensure that the compressor comes out, so it's a smooth transition in with the new compressor. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.